Hey guys, if you're setting up an e-commerce store, one of the biggest questions is, should you use a PayPal business or personal account? Let's break it down quickly so you can make the best choice for 2025. A PayPal personal account is great for casual use like sending money to friends or buying online. You can receive payments, but it's not designed for business. There's limited invoicing, no business name at checkout, and fewer tax tools. Now, PayPal Business is built specifically for stores, services, and online sellers. You get checkout buttons for your website, a business name on receipts, sales reports, and tax tools, options for subscriptions and recurring payments. It also supports Shopify, WooCommerce, and other e-commerce platforms directly. And yes, you can upgrade your personal account anytime for free. If you're running an e-commerce store, even a small one, go with PayPal Business. It looks more professional, supports all the tools you'll need, and keeps your business and personal finances separate.